For years we had these things to go underneath our two drainers for our sink, and they tend to get little divots in them, and water runs off this edge. And so instead of that, I found a full-size baking sheet and drilled 3 little holes in it here, and that lets the water drain out. And it's up, I pull these boards out so you can see them better, but it's up off the ground so the water doesn't leak back this way, and a couple of them in the back also. And in case you're like most people and only have one drainer pan, a half-size sheet would work just as well, just like that. I'm expecting these to last for the rest of my life, where those other ones get replaced fairly frequently. 3 holes in the center of the pan.